Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be unpacking because this bag didn't come in a box. I'm going to be unpacking this bag. I did ask you guys in a few videos ago if you wanted me to do another affordable bag review and which brand you guys wanted me to purchase a bag from. So a lot of you said the Michael Kors bag because they have been coming out with a lot of pink bags lately and I've been obsessed. So there is this specific purse that you guys have been asking me to review, so that is what we got in the mail today. So I'm excited to open it up and share it with you guys. So this bag did come from Michael Kors and it is a beautiful pink canvas tote bag. So let's go ahead and take her out. I just want to say before I unwrap this bag, if you are new to my channel, hello, I'm Charlotte and I love shopping. I love pink. If that's what you're into, girl, make sure you click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you aren't new, what's up, girl? How you been? Welcome. I'm glad to see you back. So let's go ahead and open up this bag now. So this is a mini canvas tote. They did have two sizes. They had a mini and a large version. I got the mini version because I don't know, I just love mini things so much, so I did get the mini version. So this is the pink canvas tote, and I know on TikTok there's been a lot of Marc Jacob bags. They're like the little canvas tote bags. They've been really popular, but I just haven't really been into them because they don't have like cute pink ones. They've just like been having like black ones or red ones or orange ones. And I'm like, they don't have cute pink ones, so I'm like not really into that trend right now. So I saw that Michael Kors came out with a similar one to Marc Jacobs and they have it in pink. So I can already see how it looks. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So this is definitely a perfect everyday bag to wear with any kind of outfit you are just wanting to be chill. And you can definitely dress this bag up. I was sold when I saw that the MK logo had a heart around it because I'm not a fan of the with it just saying MK in like giant letters. I like it to be small. It looks very simplistic and it looks more luxury that way. So I love that it came with the little logo and it's small and it has a heart around it. So I thought that was so cute. And let me tell you guys, Michael Kors was the first like luxury bag to me that I ever purchased when I was growing up, because I could never afford a Coach because Coach was like all the rage back then. Like Paris Hilton was wearing like Coach Poppy, like those Poppy bags. I don't know if y'all remember them, but it's like that's what everybody was wearing, was like Coach. And back then like it was very expensive to me. So the very first bag that I purchased that was considered a luxury bag to me was the Michael Kors bags, and it was a bag that looked like the Neverfull for Louis Vuitton. They look like dupes, and that's the first one that I got. So Michael Kors was the very first high-end bag that I ever purchased, because I would wear Walmart bags, I would wear bags from Rue 21, from Forever 21. Like I was definitely that girl that was on a budget, so I never had any name brand bags growing up. So Michael Kors does have a special place in my heart just because they were the first ones that I ever spent an arm and a leg for, because back then I would spend like $400 to $500 on a Michael Kors bag. Yeah, I know. And now it's kind of like Michael Kors kind of died for a little while, and I don't know if they got a new designer, because recently, the past year, they've been coming out with some really cute bags, and I'm like, okay, did y'all get a new designer or something? Because y'all have been coming up with your bags, because for a long while Michael Kors was like dying because they didn't have, to me, they didn't have any like cute bags. Like everything was like the same, and everything just looked the same, and it just was not like trendy. So I'm excited that Michael Kors came out with a bag like this. So I feel like they did get a new designer, so props to the new designer, girl. But this is how she looks. It is so cute. I'm tempted to use this bag today. it is just so pretty. I love that it's just canvas. So I feel like this would be easy to wash if you get a toothbrush and like put some soap in there. If you get a stain on it, I feel like you could clean it. But I just love this shade of pink. It is the perfect shade of pink. You guys know I'm picky with my pinks, okay? The last Michael Kors bag that I unboxed, it was a beautiful shade of pink, but it was more like muted. So I feel like this one is definitely more of a baby pink. So I think this one is so cute. And I definitely feel like I'm probably not going to sell this bag because I'm just looking at it right now and I just think this bag is a staple bag. It is a perfect everyday bag. The bag that I've been using every single day, did I put it down here, is this one, just because I don't want to mess up my expensive bags because I've been working on my house recently. So I've just been using this one, but now I have another one to use if I just want a pastel, if I just want an all pink bag. I am obsessed with this one. This is so pretty. So I'm gonna take off all of the wrapping, and I'm sorry if I feel like if I have a little bit of low energy, it's just because I haven't had pink drinks in a long time, and I feel like when I would film a video, before I would film a video, I'd drink a pink drink and I'd be pumped and I'd be like, you know, all in it. But now like I haven't, like I've been really strict on like sugar and stuff, so I'm kind of like, hi guys, but I'm okay. Letting you guys know I'm okay. I'm just a little bit low energy because I don't have pink drinks, but I might get one today because it's been 3 weeks that I haven't had one, so I think I can congratulate myself with a pink drink. So yeah, so anyways, let me take the wrapping off. And I love that the hardware is gold. I feel like if they had made this hardware silver, I wouldn't have bought it because I've just been into the gold hardware lately. So I got rid of a lot of bags that had silver hardware because now that I'm looking at my bag collection, like literally every bag is gold hardware. So yeah, I'm very picky about that. So it does come with a strap. And I thought I brought my scissors with me, but oh yeah, they're right here. Okay, let me unwrap this strap really quick, girl. Here is the strap. It is just this pretty beige color, and at the ends there is pink. So I love that it gives you the option to change out the bag straps, because usually with most of my bags I put like a straight up chain strap on it to make it a little bit more girly. But this strap is still pretty. Like I probably will use it, but I love that it's detachable so that I can add my own strap to it. But this is how it looks on the inside. So let me, oh, there's still more paper. So this is how it looks on the inside, and it's just, it just has like a beige fabric. Would have been cuter if it was pink, but that's what a bag insert is for. So I'll probably put a bag insert in here, and I would say compared to my on the go, this one is a little bit smaller than my on the go. I'm gonna grab her really quick so I can compare. So this is my on the go and the Michael Kors tote. So they're actually kind of the same size, but I feel like this bag is more deeper so you can fit more. But they're kind of the same size, but this one is just slightly smaller. But just for bag reference, that is kind of the size. I'm gonna take out the organizer that's in my on the go and see if it fits in this one. So I'm gonna put her here on the side. So this is the organizer that I've been using. This is the Neo Noe organizer. I haven't found one that's the on the go that fits exactly for the on the go, but the one that's for the Neo Noe bag fits perfect. So I've been using this one. So let me see if it fits in this bag, and this one actually fits very, very snug. So this is probably the perfect fit for this bag. So that's how it looks in here. I'm gonna take out this little pochette, but that's how, oh, everything's falling out. That's how it looks in here. So this is the perfect fit. So like I said, this one is just a tiny bit smaller than the on the go, but that organizer fit in there perfectly. So now everything looks pink inside, and I love for the bag to be pink inside as well as the outside. So I really, really love that, and I just think this is just so cute. What do you guys think? She cute? Is she not cute? Was she worth it? Let me tell you guys, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You guys wanted me to review this bag so bad, and I went to go check the price, like, oh my god, it's gonna be like affordable. I mean, it is affordable compared to this bag. It is very affordable, but this bag was like it was still like expensive for a Michael Kors bag. Almost $400, which I was like I was like, girl, for a Michael Kors bag, I don't think I've ever paid that much for a Michael Kors bag in a long time. It's been like since graduation that I spent that much, because usually I wait for them to go on sale and I'll spend like, you know, $150 on a Michael Kors bag. Girl, this one was like almost $400. I was like, okay. But you guys really wanted me to review it because I'm pretty sure y'all are like, am I gonna spend that much on a bag if it's worth it or not? So you guys wanted me to, you know, wanted me to be the guinea pig and let you guys know if it was worth it. And I think it's worth it. It's very, very pretty. I feel like I won't resell this bag, and it is very hard to say that about a Michael Kors bag because I tend to get tired of bags real easily, and I'm like, oh, I want something new. But this bag, I feel like I won't ever sell it because it's so pretty, and this is like such a good, like, it looks like a good everyday bag. So I would say it's worth it if you are willing to spend that much on it. I don't know if they're gonna have a sale on it in the future. Maybe you should wait till they have a sale. But I was actually going to buy this bag before y'all recommended me to buy it, but this bag was sold out like twice. Like when I was trying to get it, it was sold out like since 2 times. I actually wanted this bag because Saki, my friend Saki, did a review on it on her YouTube channel, and she made me want it, so she influenced me to get it, and I tried to go get it and they were sold out, and then you guys told me to get it and they finally had it in stock, luckily. So I have been trying for a while to get my hands on this bag, and now I'm curious to see what the larger one looks like because they did have 2 sizes. But girl, I will wait till they have a sale. If I decide I want the bigger one too, I will definitely wait for that to be on sale. So it probably won't be till like the end of the summer because this is like a summer collection bag. So if you are gonna wait for it to go on sale, you're probably gonna wait till like August, you know, when fall starts rolling around. But that's okay too. That's okay. You'll have a cute bag. I feel like you could still use this bag for fall because it's like, it's not a hot pink, it's like a neutral, like toned down, still cute baby pink colors. So I feel like I would even use this in the fall. So yeah, I definitely say it's worth it. It is so cute. So I say yes. I say yes, get it. It is so pretty. I'm gonna give you guys another close-up. Here's how the back looks. It is, she's cute, girl. I'm kind of obsessed. So yeah, I think you guys should get it. But yeah, that was it for this mini unboxing. The only downfall is I paid like almost $400 for this, and it didn't come in like a nice extravagant box. It came in a bag, girl. I was like, really, Michael Kors? Y'all need to step up your game. But other than that, it's a nice bag, but I don't know about the price, but I like it. I love it. I think it's worth it. So let me know what you guys think down below, and if you want me to do more Michael Kors or Coach. Coach is also coming out with cute bags. I'm actually going out of town in like 2 weeks, and I might go to a Coach outlet and I might get a Coach bag. So let me know if you guys want me to do a certain Coach bag review. So let me know. But if you guys want me to do more of these types of unboxings, because I know you guys are on a budget, and Michael Kors and Coach are coming up right now. They're coming back because they were dead for a while and now they're coming back. So if you guys want me to do more of those type of bags, let me know. I will review any bag, like any bag, even if it's from Walmart. I will review any bag, girl. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a little short video, but I just wanted to unbox this bag for you guys. And yeah, that was it. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.